Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is transforming various industries by automating repetitive tasks. From finance to healthcare, RPA is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. In the finance industry, RPA is streamlining processes like invoice processing, report generation, and data entry. This technology ensures accuracy and compliance while freeing up employees to focus on more strategic tasks. In healthcare, RPA is enhancing patient care by automating appointment scheduling, claims processing, and data management. This results in improved efficiency and better patient outcomes. In manufacturing, RPA is optimizing supply chain management, inventory tracking, and order processing. This leads to reduced operational costs and faster production cycles. Robotic process automation is a game changer across industries, offering increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved accuracy. If you still have some doubts about integrating RPA in your business, consider consulting with Bacancy Technology, a trusted RPA consulting company. Thank you.